Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to keep your system software and your games updated on the PlayStation 5 automatically. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So that is right, you can keep your system software and your games up to date very easily, automatically. So on the home screen of the PlayStation 5, let's go up to Settings, and then go on down to where it says System, right here, and select this. Then under System Software, let's go to the right and go to System Software Update and Settings. Now under here, go to Download Update Files Automatically and make sure this is checkmarked on. Automatically download update files while your PlayStation 5 is turned on or in rest mode. Then go to Install Update Files Automatically and make sure this is checkmarked on as well. Automatically install update files while in rest mode. Installation won't start automatically while you're using your PlayStation 5. All the games and apps you're using will be closed before installation, and unsaved games and app progress will be lost. So make sure you save your game each time before an update. Now let's back out of here. Then under System, let's scroll on down to Power Saving. Then go to Features Available in Rest Mode. Now select this, and make sure Stay Connected to the Internet is checkmarked on. While in rest mode, your PS5 can download update files and content. Then enable turning on PS5 from network. If you're using Remote Play or the PlayStation app, you may want to go ahead and have this on. Sometimes I will download games from my phone and then have them sent to my PlayStation 5 automatically. In case like there's a new download or a new game came out and I want to go ahead and have it on my PlayStation when I get home and have it ready and installed, go ahead and make sure this is checkmarked on. Then back out here and let's go to the main settings menu and then scroll on down until we get to Save Data and Game App Settings. Now under here, let's scroll on down to Automatic Updates. Make sure this is checkmarked on right here. Auto Download. Your PS5 will regularly check for the latest updates and download updates files when they're available. So that's checkmarked. Then checkmark this. Auto Install in Rest Mode. If the game or app that will be updated is in use, it will close to allow the update files to be installed. So those are all the different settings you want to go ahead and have on to make sure your games and your system softwares are up to date. Now, before you quit playing each night, go ahead and press the PlayStation button, go to the power settings, and make sure you go to Enter Rest Mode. This will allow you to download updates when your PlayStation 5 is in a low power mode, and it'll have like an orange light on. And this will only cost you around like $7 to $10 each year to have it in rest mode. So it won't cost you a lot of money, but it'll allow you to download updates while you're away and have your games updated, ready for you, ready to play next time you're on. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.